It was the 26th of July 2009 when Max Biaggi, on the BRNO circuit, took the first unforgettable victory of the Aprilia RSV4 in the World Superbike Championship. No one could have known it at the time, but that was the first episode of a story that became legendary. It was the start of one of the most victorious stories ever for a single model in the most important factory derivative championship in the world, with an extraordinary collection of 7 world titles, 3 rider and 4 manufacturer, 44 wins and 102 podiums. Aprilia celebrates that historic day for the brand by bringing back the iconic livery, symbolic of the RSV4's spectacular sporting debut on the crowning jewel of the V4 range, the superbike RSV4 Factory and the hypernaked Tuono V4 Factory. In this special version, RSV4 Factory and Tuono V4 Factory also come standard with carbon front brake air intakes and with a carbon front mudguard. The progressive numbering of the model appears on the fuel tank. The Aprilia V4 Factory SE-09 SBK machines stand out for their livery, dominated by black with the characteristic red and white trim on the top fairing, lug, fuel tank, and tail fairing, exactly like the RSV4 that astonished the world at its debut on the SBK stage. An unmistakable mix in its linear simplicity, which brings the brand from Knoll and its legendary sporting history to the mind of any motorcycling enthusiast.